Good morning, dear children, and welcome back to physics session. Previously, we had introduced forces and its effects. Today, we shall continue and learn more about forces. Before that, I want you to watch this motivational video.
सर आपके लिए उस पार कार का इंतजाम किया है सर आइए सर चल चल
I hate this country.
तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले। लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे, हथेलियों में भरे धूप और उछाला करे। ओ लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे, हथेलियों में भरे धूप और उछाला करे। उफक पे पाँव रखो और चलो अकड़ के चलो, उफक पे पाँव रखो और चलो पकड़ के चलो, फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो, फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो। तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, 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 हिंदुस्तान चले।
So inspiring video, children. Unity has strength. I want to relate this to physics lesson. A boy could not move the heavy tree. So many people joined together and applied the force, and hence they were succeeded to push the tree out of the track. In the same way, when two or more people apply the force in the same direction, the force adds up and hence the object moves. You can notice in the first figure, two boys are applying the force in the same direction and hence the force adds up and they are able to move the heavy load. In the other figure, two boys are applying the force in the opposite direction. When the force is applied in the opposite direction, the body moves towards that direction where the more force is applied. So the net force acting on the body will be the difference between the forces applied. Now what happens if equal forces are applied in the opposite direction? The body does not move. Same thing happens in tug of war. The rope may not move if the two teams pull at it with equal force. The team that pulls harder with larger force applied on it finally wins the game. Hence, we can conclude that forces applied on an object in the same direction add to one another. Net forces add to one another. If the two forces act in the opposite direction on object, the net force acting on it is the difference between the two forces. For example, if two friends are applying 10 newtons of force in the opposite direction, the net forces acting on it will be plus 10 Newton and minus 10 Newton because it is acting in the opposite direction. So when you add plus and minus 10 Newton, it becomes 0 and the body will not move. If two friends are applying the force in the same direction, let one apply 10 newtons of force, the other will apply 12 newtons of force. Then the net force acting on an object will be 10 newton plus 12 newton, 22 newton, and hence the object moves. So finally we can conclude, when forces are applied in the same direction, it adds up. In different direction, that we have to take the difference between the forces. In the next class, children, we shall learn the effects of force, how the forces changes the state of motion. Thank you. Have a blessed day.